It's a simple pencil sketch. Just wanted to study the proportion and the basic structure. So for that I have put one horizontal and vertical line where the face is turned which side. So based on that I that curved vertical line and curved horizontal line. That from that center point of that intersection point I have made all the measurements. If you take the eyes portion, we can divide it into three parts. One eye, the same measurement is between the two eyes, then one more eye. So it's a three part. And one more measurement is below the nose. If you tip of the nose to the chin, we can divide it into two parts. In the first part itself, the first the from the top of nose to end of the mouth, the first part is over. Second part is full of chin. So initially I have not pressed pencil hard. Now I started to give more details, eyelash and eye pocket, eyebrows. No need to draw nose. The shades and all we are doing that itself take care of the shape of nose and the shadows of the nose and mouth. In this process now we are putting more shades to define the volume of the face, otherwise it would be more flat. Wherever the projected part is there, nose or mouth, under there were some shadows, so we need to capture that tiny details. And neck portion it will be more dark because the shade of the face is coming, so it will be more dark. And while started doing color of hair, we need to careful about that because the below the portion of ear and left side cheek it will be more dark, then only the face will pop up. We are not doing that much realistic, so dress and all not that much detailing I am doing. We started that hair. The front side of hair I am putting very light tones because light effects will come. So in this area I told, as I told earlier, it will be more dark because it was the back side of face. And the front side of the hair we need to put very light tones and joining this those areas. In base layer you put some light strokes. After that you can put wherever darker shades are there you can put, so it will give some nice volume for hair. More details I'm adding. I'm not satisfied with the shadows, so I put more shades on this. Inside eye also we should not put fully white. Corners of eye we need to put light shades because it's a kind of sphere, so that volume we need to show that. After long time doing this pencil put, right? Hope we are almost completed everything. Just wherever dark is required we can put more darks in eyelash, in hair na, ladies, so eyebrow everything will be there. We need to put carefully that things, otherwise it will be too much dark. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks.